If you're running an online business or selling products online, you already know how important it is to have a high converting landing page. It's the first impression your customers get, and it's where you turn visitors into buyers. So in today's video, we're diving into Leadpages, one of the most popular landing page builders out there. We're going to look at what it is, its key features, pricing, and pros and cons. By the end, you'll know if Leadpages is the right tool to help you boost your e-commerce sales. Let's get into it. So first off, what is Leadpages? Think of your landing page like the front window of a physical store. If it's messy, unorganized, or doesn't show people why they should come in, you'll lose customers before they even step inside. Your landing page works the same way for your online business. It's the first thing visitors see, and it needs to grab their attention, hold their interest, and guide them to take action. That's where Leadpages comes in. It's a landing page builder designed to help you create high converting pages that look professional and are optimized for sales and leads. It's perfect for e-commerce businesses, whether you're launching a new product, running a sale, or building your email list. Leadpages focuses on conversions, meaning it doesn't just help you build a page, it gives you the tools to make sure your page drives real results. From drag and drop design to built-in analytics and integrations with platforms like Shopify and Stripe, it's a one-stop shop for creating landing pages that actually work. Let's take a look at some of the key features. First off, the drag and drop builder is super intuitive, allowing you to create landing pages without needing any coding skills. You can customize every part of your page from text and images to buttons and forms. It's perfect for anyone who wants full control over their design but doesn't want to deal with complicated software. Conversion optimized templates. Leadpages offers hundreds of professionally designed templates built specifically for conversions. Whether you're promoting a product, running a webinar, or building an email list, there's a template for everything. These templates are fully customizable, so you can tweak them to match your brand. A/B testing. One of the standout features is the ability to run A/B tests. This means you can create multiple versions of your page and see which one performs better. For e-commerce businesses, this is huge. It lets you test headlines, call to action buttons, and layouts to find what drives the most sales. Leadpages includes analytic tools that show you how your pages are performing. You can track metrics like page views, click-through rates, and conversions, giving you the data you need to improve your campaigns. Seamless integrations. Leadpages integrates with popular e-commerce and marketing tools like Shopify, Stripe, PayPal, MailChimp, and even more. This makes it really easy to connect your landing pages to your store, collect payments, or grow your email list. Mobile responsiveness. Every landing page you build with Leadpages is mobile responsive, meaning it looks great on any device. With so many people shopping on their phones, this feature ensures your pages deliver a seamless experience for all users. Pop-ups and alert bars. Beyond landing pages, Leadpages also lets you create pop-ups and alert bars to capture leads or promote special offers. These can be added to any page on your website and are great for boosting conversions during sales or promotions. Lead magnet delivery. If you're using lead magnets like free guides or discount codes to attract customers, Leadpages automates the delivery process. Once someone signs up, they'll instantly receive the offer you promised, making it easy to build trust with your audience. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the different plans. What you'll want to do is make sure you use our exclusive link in the description because that will give you the best price possible. So once you click that link, you'll be brought to this page and then we can go ahead and click on the pricing. Here you can see they have a few different options here. So with the standard plan, it's $49 a month billed monthly, but if you want to pay yearly, you can save $144 and it brings it down to just $37 per month. So with this plan, you get 5 landing pages, unlimited traffic and leads, 1 custom domain, 200 plus conversion optimized templates, best-in-class conversion tools, and standard integrations. Next, and the best value is the Pro plan, which is $99 a month billed monthly, but if you want to pay yearly, you can save $300, which brings it to $74 a month. You get unlimited landing pages, unlimited traffic leads, 3 custom domains, 200 plus conversion optimized templates, best-in-class conversion tools, standard integrations, and you can sell products and services, and also a blog is included. Last is the conversion, and this is $697 a month. And with this plan, you get full marketing funnel audit, 1 conversion landing page, 1 paid media campaign, dedicated conversion expert pro account, unlimited landing pages, unlimited traffic and leads, and advanced integrations. They do have a free trial that you can also go ahead and check out as well. So what you will want to do is go ahead, click that link in the description, and then you can click sign up for free. And then we will go ahead and choose the plan that best fits your needs, and we can start the free trial. So you can sign up with your email, or you can go ahead and sign up with Google. It's completely up to you, and it's super simple. All you do is go ahead and click get started. Once you are logged into the site, here you can see it's super easy to navigate. So we've got our dashboard. Over here, we've got our landing pages, and to create a new one, all you do is create a new landing page. Here you can create a new split test. Here shows all of your different sites, your blogs, conversion tools like pop-ups and alert bars. Your leads will all be right here. Your brand, so you can upload different colors and fonts to match. And then here you can have all of your images. There's an image generator, and you can upload your own as well. And then here are scripts. So you can add global scripts, Google Analytics, or custom scripts, which is also such a great tool. And then you also can easily integrate all of your other system. So they've got ActiveCampaign, ConvertKit, MailChimp, which are huge players in the email marketing game. And then there's also other integrations that you can select. And this is integrations powered by Zapier. So again, just so easy and simple to integrate all of your systems. And then here are domains. So you can connect an existing domain, or you can purchase a domain. And then support is right here. So again, just super simple, super easy to navigate. Now let's go over some of the pros and cons of Leadpages. So Leadpages does have a lot to offer, especially for e-commerce businesses looking to create landing pages that actually drive results. One of its biggest strengths is how easy it is to use. The drag and drop builder is incredibly beginner friendly, so even if you have no experience with web design, you can quickly create professional looking pages. Another standout feature is its focus on conversions. From the templates to the built-in tools, everything is designed to help you optimize your pages for sales and leads, making it a great fit for businesses that want results. The A/B testing feature is also a game changer. It allows you to test the different versions of your landing pages to see what works best. On top of that, Leadpages integrates seamlessly with major platforms like Shopify, PayPal, and email marketing tools, which makes it super easy to connect your landing pages to your existing systems. And since all the pages are mobile responsive, they'll look great on any device, ensuring a smooth experience for all of your customers. That being said, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, the pricing may feel a bit steeper for smaller businesses or those just starting out. While it's worth the investment if you're looking for a tool to boost conversions, it's just something to consider when budgeting. Additionally, while the drag and drop builder is intuitive, some of the advanced features like A/B testing and analytics might have a slight learning curve for beginners. Lastly, while the templates are well designed, certain elements may feel a bit restrictive if you're looking for complete customization. Overall, Leadpages offers an amazing balance of simplicity and power. If you're serious about growing your e-commerce business and need a tool that focuses on driving results, it's definitely a great option. So, would we recommend Leadpages? Absolutely. If you're serious about driving conversions and creating high-performing landing pages, Leadpages is one of the best tools out there. It's easy to use, offers a ton of customization, and integrates seamlessly with major e-commerce platforms. The A/B testing and analytics feature alone can make a huge difference in your sales. It's a powerful tool that can pay for itself with the results it delivers. Leadpages is an amazing option for e-commerce businesses looking to build high-converting landing pages without the hassle. From its user-friendly builder to its advanced optimization features, it's a tool that can truly help you level up your online store. If you're ready to give it a try, I've included the link in the description so you can learn more and get started. This channel is all about helping you master e-commerce tools and strategies, so don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions you have below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.